There we go. Now we got a light on. There are critters in here. That's what I'm expecting to jump out at me. Hey, B! I mean, it's not as trashed as you might think it would be trashed. Like party people coming through, or kids coming through, tearing shit up. Lots of matchboxes. Holy mackerel. No. No. It's probably lived in right up until it wasn't inhabitable, or somebody died. Probably the last old person that lived here passed away. Gotta look. It's usually the kids of whoever that old person was. Man, you can go upstairs. Not today. This is pretty creepy. Pretty creepy. Wow. So those original beams. Not much left of them. This is probably the original. Wow, 1750. Oh, and that's what's inside that door. Definitely wouldn't have got in there. Christmas trees. What was that? Man, we got a house full of stuff. Got some presents not even open. Kid Rock, can't be too old. Can't be too old. Dogs out. Who let the dogs out? Tells you we're wasting at every level. Mantle clock. Probably had to sew back then. Nobody running up to Walmart. Motorcycles and cowboy hats. think you're using this as an office. Doesn't smell as bad in here as it does in that shed out there. Baby! Where you at, Sizzle? That was a bad spider web. Question is, where's the spider? Creepy, guys. Creepy. You're not going upstairs today. Sizzle! Where's your sense of adventure? I was doing an episode of Hoarders inside. Yep. Huh? Yeah. It's a TV garden. I guess you just call it art.
And this structure, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7
Tractors?
structures. 1,
Oh, structures.
2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that I can see just from
So there's 2 more behind here, 3 that I don't know if they were being used as toilets or what. They're full of stuff.
There's no bathrooms in that house.
There are bathrooms in there.
So there's plumbing.
Must be. Well, there's also rain pipes catching the rainwater and running it under the house.
Oh,
So they're trying to capture the water.
Well, seems like he could have been extend technology. Although he has satellite dish on the side.
So we would need to clear
There's a lot.
a lot of stuff.
We need a big burn party. You know, things?
You just need dumpsters and machines.
Yeah, but wouldn't you want to burn all the wood stuff?
Nah, because it leaves nails.
Hmm.